Previously on Freshman Clowns.
I love you, but we can't go on like this.
Dawson, no! Think about all the ups and downs we've survived.
That's all I think about. I'm sorry, Sprinkles. I have to let you go.
Ouch!
Losing Sprinkles was the biggest mistake of my life. I want her back. I have to do something really romantic. But what should I give her? A flower? A puppy? How about a giraffe? Great idea! Snuggles, if I don't ace this final, I'll be expelled. What I need is more time to study.
What you need is a break. Let's hit the cafeteria. 2 pies, please.
Next time on Freshman Clowns.
Admit it, Mom. You have a problem with drinking.
No, I don't. You're right. I do.
Previously on Freshman Clowns.
Sprinkles, you're Dawson's ex. I can't do this to my best friend.
Snuggles, this just feels wrong.
I know. What if we take off our noses?
Okay.
Dudes, it's spring break. Come on, everybody. Road trip. Woohoo! Dawson, I'm your best friend. When are you going to forgive me for what happened with Sprinkles?
I am not talking to you.
Fine, then get in the back. You don't even have to see me.
I should have seen the signs. I should have realized Bingo was depressed. Oh no! She's jumping! Oh, I can't look!
She's okay! Thank God someone brought that tiny bucket of water.
Next time on Freshman Clowns.
You didn't think I could do it, but I did! My whole life you've called me a fool! Well, not anymore, Dad. I'm not a dolt or a buffoon. I'm a clown.